What goes up but never comes down?
Your age. It only climbs higher as time keeps moving.
What has hands but can't clap?
A clock. Its hands just keep ticking, never making a sound.
What gets wetter as it dries?
A towel, soaking up every drop while it helps you dry off.
I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old.
A candle, burning bright at first, fading lower with every flame.
What has a head and a tail but no body?
A coin, two sides, always spinning stories of luck and chance.
What belongs to you but others use it more? Your name, everyone says it, while you just answer.